Hello everyone. So can a ketogenic diet really help me improve my health? I hope you've been enjoying this Keto 101 series. This is part 3. One of the ways that you can start making changes to your diet is to work with a dietary or food tracking app. Tracking helps you to truly see what is my level of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. I'm going to discuss just a few that I'm familiar with. MyFitnessPal is an app I've used for about 12 years. I find it to be very simple to use. The accounts are free unless you want to pay for the premium version with a lot more functionality. MyFitnessPal, in my opinion, has the largest database of name brand foods in the world. It allows you to easily set your goals for the percentage of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates and calories that you want to track each day. You can change these goals also, including goals for weight loss or goals for your macronutrient ratios, according to what health conditions you're working on. Carb Manager is another very popular food tracking app for those who are trying to reduce their carbohydrate intake. You can use either the web-based platform or the smartphone phone application. The account's free, again, unless you want to pay for the premium version to get a lot more functionality. It too allows you to set your goals for the daily calories and macronutrient content that you want to include in your diet. It's relatively easy to use, and I like the fact that it's free. And then I tried Keto Manager. You can use the free version on your smartphone or the web-based version. It works like other trackers. I personally found this one harder to use. It just took a few more steps to enter your foods, whereas in the MyFitnessPal app, all the foods are there. You just scroll through them and pick the one that you're eating. It was easy to set your goals for weight loss. So, dietary tracking apps are useful in helping you adjust those macronutrient ratios of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, because you really don't know what those percentages are unless you really use an app that can track those for you. These apps have both web-based and smartphone applications. Most of them are free. You can pay for the premium version if you want more functionality. They also give you options to building your fasting regimens, your 2 meals a day or 1 meal a day, and extended fasting regimens. Of course, I also recommend you test your glucose and ketones every day, and you may need to add some electrolytes or salt to your water each day once you start this approach. This was a quick video, part 3 of Keto 101. If you have questions, please email me at melanietidman@gmail.com. If you've missed parts 1 and 2, go on my channel and watch Keto 101 part 1 and part 2. I'll see you next time for the next part in the Keto 101 series.